Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to another episode of Fun Swahili or Nighttime Swahili with
Fresh Boy, Fresh Boy,
and Fresh Mommy. In this episode, we're using our new book, my Fun Swahili book of things. VITU, get yourself your copy so that you can follow along with us. Still there? Okay. All right. So today we are going to cover a couple of things. But before we do, let's see if we remember some of the things we've covered. Again, you have to keep repeating the stuff that you've learned. You have to keep reviewing them over and over again so that they can stick. And your teacher said how many times do you have to review them before they get registered? Four plus
1 0.
4 plus tattoo. 7 times mara saba. Huh?
0 or 1?
7 times. 7 times. Once you've reviewed it 7 times, your brain kind of logs that in your record. So that's why we have to review things over and over again. So real quick, who are these people? Who am I to you guys? Mama. And what about daddy?
Dada. Baba.
Baba. Good job. What about child? Who are you guys to me? Toto. And who is this to you?
Kaka.
Kaka or ndugu. I forget which one is to reference the older person or older brother. And what about if you had a sister? Dada. And if you have you have plenty of them. Who is Jojo to you?
Binamu.
Binamu is cousin.
Binamu.
So you can be calling Jojo Binamu.
No, I'm not doing
Binamu Jojo. Hold on, let me put this down.
It doesn't sound right.
It's different. You can say Binamu Jeyo Jeyo. Habari ya Binamu Jeyo Jeyo. Right? Jeyo Jeyo, are you learning? We hope so. Okay. Binamu Jeyo Jeyo. Binamu Jojo. It's different.
It doesn't fit right.
It's different.
If someone's name ended with the same ending as Binamu, then I would definitely say Binamu, whatever their name is.
Yeah, you think it needs to rhyme?
It just doesn't fit right.
Okay, but we know who Binamu is. Binamu is cousin. What about grandmother or
Bibi or Nyanya?
Nyanya, grandfather?
Babu.
You shouldn't even be looking. I know you know these things. What about neighbor?
I don't say
Nyanya.
I don't say Nyanya for grandmother because I don't like Nyanyas.
Because Nyanya is like Nyanya, the food.
I don't like Nyanya. I love Nyanyas.
You love Nyanya because you love Nyanya in pizza. You love Nyanya when we do the pot for nyamas and the little stuff over there. That's all Nyanya. You love it.
I mean because it tastes like nyama.
The sauce in your Lunchables is Nyanya. It is. It's tomatoes. All right, awesome. What is neighbor? Jirani. What is uncle? Mjomba. Auntie? Shangazi. Friend? Rafiki. Awesome. All right.
When are we learning about these? When are we learning about these?
Those ones, we are going to learn those soon. I know you guys really want to learn
I'm gonna have
a good time.
All of that video.
We are going to wait for that one.
Energy that I can.
Yeah, we are going to wait for that. Okay, that day.
Insects.
So,
let's go
yeah, we learned that.
Insects.
We also learned the days of the week.
No way you have insects.
She had insects somewhere.
You have a page just for insects?
Yeah, we added wadudus. Wadudus are insects. Alright, so the days of the week. What are they from Sunday?
Monday.
Jumatatu,
Jumane,
But what day of the week is that?
Jumapili.
Where are you starting your week?
I said Jumapili.
Jumapili, Jumatatu, Jumane, Jumatano,
Alhamisi, Ijumaa, Jumamosi.
Okay, let's try that one more time.
Jumapili is Sunday, Jumatatu is Monday, Jumane is Tuesday, Jumatano is Wednesday, Alhamisi is Thursday, Alhamisi is today, and Ijumaa is Friday.
Beautiful, beautiful. That's amazing. Good job, guys.
Bossy. It's tomorrow. I mean,
No.
in 2 days.
In 2 days. All right. So today we are going to learn some of the stuff in the living room, and let's read this sentence over here.
Karibu sebuleni yetu ambapo tumapumzika na kutazama runinga.
Runinga. Good job. And read it in English. What does it say?
Welcome to our living room where we relax and watch TV.
Awesome, awesome. What are some of the things in the living room? What are some of the things in the living room? What are we sitting on? What are we sitting on? Kitty. Kitty is a sofa or
What is
a
that?
chair. Good job. What about what is the clock?
Sa.
Saha? There has to be an H. There has to be an H. So that is sa. Huh?
Sasa.
Sasa is now, and we usually say sasa to say kind of like hello.
This is a sa.
This is a sa. That's a sa. Clock is a sa. Watch is a sa. And actually 1 hour is sa like sa moja. Okay? All right. Okay. What is this? Can I reach it?
No.
What is this guy over here? That's pazia. Pazia is curtain. What about this guy right here?
This is mesa, bro.
Mesa is what? Table. Good job. What about a calendar? What's a calendar in Swahili? Calendar. Good job. What about a picture? Picture is what is it?
I cannot say pick a picture without saying pick a picture. I cannot say that without saying pick a picture.
Yeah. What is it? What is picture?
Picture is take a picture.
No. Picture. What is it? Picture is a picture. Good job. What is that guy over there?
Alright, let me show you demonstration.
No, you're not. They can't even see. They can't even see. They can't even
What's
see.
that?
Stop.
You turn it on with that thing. What is it called?
A remote.
What? No, but what is that? That you just turned on? Or TV is what in Swahili? Runinga. Good job. What is a Bible in Swahili? Biblia. Good job. What about a carpet? Carpet is what? Mkeka.
It sounds like cake.
I know, kinda, yeah. Carpet or a rag is a mkeka. Now let me see if you remember any of these words. What is a sofa or a chair? Kitty. What is a clock? Sa. What is curtain? Pazia. Good job. What is a table? Mesa. Good job. And it's also mesa is also
Swallow.
Swallow.
I thought it was finished.
Maliza, you finished. I can see it. All right. And what is a calendar? Calendar. Picture. Good job. What is TV?
Runinga.
Awesome. Bible. Bible is
Yeah.
and then the carpet is mkeka. All right. Now let me see. What is a sofa or a chair in Swahili? Kitty, clock, sa, curtain, table, calendar, picture, TV, Bible, rug or carpet. All right. What is kitty?
Sofa.
Sa,
Bro, why are we doing them again, bro?
pazia. One more time. Pazia. One more time. Curtain. Mesa. Table. Calendar. Picture. Runinga. Biblia. Mkeka.
Carpet.
Awesome. Well, thank you. That's it for tonight. Again, make sure you review the things you are learning. You want to make sure you review them as often as possible so that you can remember them. If you don't do that, you're going to forget them, and then you're gonna, then they're not gonna stick in your mind. How many times do you have to review them? 7 times. So like now the days of the week we've reviewed them at least maybe 3 times or something like that.
4 plus 0.
Right?
Guys,
So
4 plus 0.
4 plus 0 is how many?
Now 4 plus 0
Nuh-uh.
is 3.
4 plus 0
Hey, yeah, 4.
How
4
many
minus
times?
2.
Right
4
now,
minus 2.
one of
4
these
minus
days we are
2.
gonna need to do the numbers again because we haven't done numbers in a while. Yo, and we know all our numbers already. Alright?
I'm doing that, bro.
Awesome, awesome.
You're
Thank
funny.
you everyone.
You're
Kwaheri.
You're funny. You're funny.
You used to tell them to
Subscribe. Hit the like button. Turn on those post notifications on that. That's my line.
Kwaheri. Tell them Kwaheri.